Hey guys, what's up? This is Abdul Wali from bestpluggerkp.com, and you are learning complete CMS and website in PHP. Friends, we worked much on this website that it's in front of you about Malala Yousafzai, and we have this table inside our database posts, and we have inserted many posts, and this is our insertion form from where we just write some title. We love Malala Yousafzai, and the author name, who can be anyone, for example any admin like Aisha, and the keywords like we just add the keywords for searching purpose. Later on we will create a search engine for this website, so we will be able to retrieve the post from the database by using these keywords inside the table. Malala, happy, love Malala. These are keywords, and the picture you always select from your computer, and after that you just insert some text. I would like to insert some demi text because it consumes time for writing the text. So therefore I am just I'm just copying the demi text from the internet, from the website lipsum.com. yeah, lorims aim same tung tung shung. Okay, this is the text, demi text, and I just copied this text, will insert into this form here, and yeah, that's it. And just I will publish now. Yeah, publish now. So posts published successfully. You can see here are the already published posts are 20. Now this one will be, just click browse, this one will be 21. Yeah, here is 21. Yeah, 21. Willow Malala Yousafzai. Now come to your website, refresh this. We just said in our code that you can see we love Malala. This is the post. We said that 4 posts should be displayed on the home page, and that would be randomly show 4 posts from the database, from the table. So our PHP script is showing 4 posts randomly. Now we have to work a little bit on this sidebar as well, dynamically or statically. So here I am. You can show anything, you can display anything on this sidebar of this website. For example, you can show some follow by email, Wedgate, or follow sharing buttons, subscription buttons, or social sharing buttons, etc. You can also add any announcements here, and also we will dynamically use PHP to to insert or to retrieve recent post from the database. The recent post 5 or 3 or whatsoever we like, we can show here. So for that purpose we just need, first of all, we need to go to sidebar page is inside our includes folder. Yeah, this is includes folder, and here is the sidebar.php page. That is right now empty. Just this text is here. Now I have added some pictures, or here some social media icons like Google and Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. So I can just add them here. For example, I would say that id is equal to, div id would be is equal to social. This is just, we will create a we'll create an ID for these social buttons. So here I am. Just I said that the first thing is, we first need to insert an h2 tag, and we just will say follow us. Yeah, this is the h2 tag closed, and here I will just insert an image. img tag source would be images /facebook dot png. That's the extension of png. Yeah, this I will just copy this whole line, img tag, and 4 times I have pasted it, not 4 times, 3 times. google.png, twitter.png, and pinterest.png. Pin, yeah. So this is basically a social follow buttons which we have here. The images, you can see here are the images inside our images folder where we are just adding the images, and we added them here. Now come to your sidebar. Just I will save this page, Control S, by pressing Control S. Now just refresh this website. Oh, you can see here are the images. Oh, that's really looking nice, but we can make them more nice. One is not showing Facebook, I think. So let's check what is wrong with the Facebook. Oh, Facebook images has an extension of GIF image. So now come here, just refresh it. So Facebook is also here. Now we need to create a class for this inside our style.css page. Sorry, no class, id with hash. Just write social, and we said that this would be text align center. That's it. And we said that the social, some compound IDs we need to create here. We say that the img inside the social will be width. Its width should be 40 pixel. Yeah, that's it. And we say that margin should be 5 pixel among each other, and padding would be 3 pixels among each other. Yeah. Control S to save. Now come here a little bit. You will see a little bit difference. Here we are. It's really interesting now looking. They are very interesting, and we can add a border as well. If you need a border, then you can just add a border bottom, for example 2 pixels solid. For example, you said that the border should be yellow color, solid yellow. Now come here and refresh. You have seen this is the border here. And if you want to style up this title h2 tag, then just come here and say copy this id and make another compound here, that inside the social id the h2 tag will be having these styles. Yeah, for h2 tags inside social id, we said that font is equal to size should be 33 pixels, and font family would be Comic Sans MS. Yeah, that's really simple. And we also said that the color should be, for example color should be, we said that yellow, for example. It's very simple. Now Control S to save and come here, refresh. You can see this is now clearly looking interesting and nice. So you can, similar like this, you can add your links here inside the sidebar. Here are the links. For example, you said that Harab is equal to your Facebook ID. For example, mine is http www.facebook.com and \pareshan. This is my Facebook ID, and after the image I will close the A tag. So similar like that, you can add your link of Google Plus, Twitter and PNG before the image tag, and have to close the link after the img tag. So that's very simple. You can add your links. Refresh this. Now come here and mouse over this Facebook icon. If I add a target here, just let me add a target, blank page is equal to blank. Now you would see, Control S to save. Now come here, refresh. I just added a target for opening this link in a new tab. So just click it. It will take you to my Facebook profile. Yeah, this is my Facebook profile. You can see. Similar like that, you can add your links here. This is very simple, man. You can add your links here, and similar like this widget, you can also create more widgets like follow us by email and Google translators and etc. whatsoever. All are very easy to create, and this is web designing. So actually we had given a height of 600 to this sidebar as well, similar like this post body. So we need to now remove that, because we want to show things as we want as far as things goes. So it will increase itself, the size, the height of this section will be increasing itself. So here we need to go to style.css and find the sidebar. Where is the sidebar? For example, here is the sidebar, and you can see the sidebar ID is having a height of 600 pixels. That's mean this is fixed to 600. After 600, the content will be collapsed, and that won't be fixed inside this. So we need to remove this to make it unlimited, with unlimited size, or with a size of unlimited. Now replace this. So it is here. Now we will, when we will add more content, so it will be itself expanding. So the next video tutorial is very important and very interesting, in which we will retrieve the recent post from the database, from the table, from this table, the recent post, because our site is having a random post, 4 posts randomly showing on this home page. So here we need to insert the recent post that we recently have inserted into our database. So that's a really interesting post. We will show them in our next tutorial. So stay tuned.